This guide will help you improve your PlayStation 5 installation loop experience for 2026. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother and more efficient setup. Step 1. Prepare your console. Before starting the installation, make sure your PS5 is placed in a well-ventilated area. Remove any dust or obstructions around the console to prevent overheating during the installation process. Step 2. Update system software. Connect your PS5 to the internet and check for any system software updates. Go to Settings, System Software Update and Settings. Download and install any available updates to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 3. Organize your storage. Before installing new games or updates, check your storage space. Go to Settings, Storage to view your available space. Delete any unused games or applications to free up space and improve installation speed. Step 4. Optimize network connection. For a faster installation loop, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, or position your router closer to your console. You can also adjust your network settings in Settings Network to prioritize your PS5. Step 5. Install games efficiently. When installing games, consider downloading them during off-peak hours or using the rest mode feature. This allows downloads to continue while the console is in a low power state, speeding up the installation process. By following these steps, you can enhance your PlayStation 5 installation loop experience in 2026. Enjoy your gaming!